Whether you practically live in Summoner's Rift or just want to level up your gaming sessions, you're going to want to check out this brand new League of Legends collection. We're back again with another collaboration with Riot Games and League of Legends, and we'll be unboxing the gorgeous full Pro Series set. That's a Pro X headset, a Pro wireless mouse, a Pro mechanical keyboard, and a G840 XL mousepad for you today. Before I get my hands on all of this incredible gear, however, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Right, let's dive in. Okay, I honestly don't know where to start with this. I think if we go from the top and work our way down, then we'll be starting with the headset. So I'll move these out of the way. So let's dive right in. You might have already spotted that on the box art we have Annie and Tibbers. I already know this is going to be good just from the box art. So we lift up this tab here. If you're like me and you find it really hard to part with beautiful boxes, I feel like it would look really cool having it on your shelf with Annie and Tibbers showing like that. So we pull up this tab and it's just a case of lifting it straight out of the box like this. And there we go. Right, now we've opened that up, let's put this aside so we can focus on all the goodness inside. We have got the headset. I will come to that in a second. We have got the USB external sound cord. And in here, we have got the carry pouch. And inside we have got the PC cable and the mobile cable. And the Y splitter. And then in here, we have got your second set of ear pads. And somewhere, there is a mic. There we go. Put this to the side. Okay, I'll just tidy things up a bit using the carrying case that comes with it. I'll leave the mic out because we're gonna need that one in a second. And as you can see here, it comes with a second set of ear pads. These ones are cloth and the ones on the headset are leatherette. They have the lovely golden blue on them and they have an L and R if you're like me and you find it hard to remember which way your headset's supposed to go round. But we have those and we'll put those in the carry case so you always have a second set. Put that to the side. Now, this is what we've been waiting for. We have the headset. Oh, it looks even better in person. The gold and the blue look so good together. So we've got the League of Legends and the G on the top there. I bet these colors are probably looking familiar to some of you, and how good does this look? I literally feel like this headset is Hextech come to life. I love it. So this is the Pro headset. It's got the color combination of gold and this amazing magic blue. The headband structure is steel, and the badges on either side are metal too, so it feels like it's really embracing the Art Deco inspired Hextech aesthetic. Speaking of blue, actually this headset also has blue voice, so when you're doing your call outs in League, your teammates are going to be able to hear you as if you are sitting right next to them, which we all know is incredibly useful. So I'll pop this in here. There we go. The headset comes equipped with surround sound and 50mm Pro G drivers, which means even more accuracy across a higher frequency range. Imagine how much more immersed you're going to feel too when your headset, mouse and keyboard match the game that you're spending your time mastering. Right, as much as I want to sit and stare at this headset, we should probably move on, so let's go with the mouse. So as you can see, we've got Thresh on the front trying to grab the mouse. So if we open it up, it's just a case of sliding it out like this. Got the little symbols on the side there as well. And here we go. So here it is. It looks lovely and clean in this box because all of the little bits are hidden underneath. So I'll go ahead and take that out. And then underneath, we've got our play to win and our little Logitech G there. So here we've got some spare buttons and button covers, and we've got the Lightspeed receiver and receiver extension adapter. So I'll just go and take those out. Nice and easy, there we go. And then we have in our Play to Win box, we've got the charger cable. There we go. And a Logitech G sticker as well. As much as I love a free sticker, we'll just go ahead and move these bits out of the way for now and focus on the mouse. So I'm going to peel this off. There we go, and here it is. So we've got the same gorgeous Hextech gold and blue on the mouse too. It's so satisfying when your entire gaming setup matches, isn't it? This is our Pro wireless mouse, and it's Pro for a reason. Wonder won MSI with G2 using a Pro wireless in 2019, so this is the mouse you want, whether you've got dreams of making it into esports tournaments, or you're a League fan who wants to be on top form in the lanes. You can use the side buttons to ping in-game. That ping system can literally make or break a team, but this will give you the competitive edge you need. If that doesn't suit your playstyle, however, the buttons are removable and replaceable, so you can make sure you're playing your way. It feels really light as it only weighs 80 grams. Obviously, League is fast-paced and strategic, so having a Lightspeed wireless mouse will help you dominate in those team fights or beat your lane opponent in a 1v1. With the Pro wireless sensor, the Hero 25K, you'll have the ultimate speed and accuracy. This is a next-gen gaming sensor, and you can tell. Now let's take a look at the keyboard. Right, let's get this one open. You might have already noticed that we have Echo, Lux, and Kane on the box. We've got some of our favorites there. And then for this one, again, you just pull it out. There we go. And this one opens up nice and easy like this. Here it is. I will take this one out. Inside the box, you've also got the cable, which it might be useful to know is 6 foot long. So I'll move that out of the way. And here we go. So this keyboard has GX Brown tactile keys, which means you still get the satisfying click, but it's not too loud. So this is a true champion setup that we're putting together here. So the base of the keyboard has the same cool blue, and then if you look, there's gold detailing around the keys. It's got this beautiful Art Deco style, which is clean and geometric, while still feeling like it's imbued with a little hint of magic. These little details in particular I love, they're just so unique. There's little features like this that make the collection really stand out, so as well as the lovely design, this is a mechanical keyboard built with pro players in mind. It's got super fast tactile mechanical switches, programmable RGB lighting that you can synchronize with your mouse and set to your team's color or any color to suit your setup, and a compact 10 keyless design. Now finally, it's on to the mouse pad. Right, let's crack this one open. As you can see, we've got Yasuo on the tube here. The tube can also work as a carry case if you ever need to take the mouse pad with you anywhere. And here it is. Wow, it is huge. To be precise, it's actually 400 by 900 millimeters. A good pad really ties the room together, doesn't it? This is a super large gaming surface, so it covers your entire setup, keyboard, mouse, everything. It's really smooth too. It's got a performance-tuned surface that means you'll be able to move your mouse quickly and with the ultimate precision to make sure you stay on top in your lane. And of course, it's got this absolutely stunning League of Legends design. We've got Summoner's Rift in all its glory, so that even when you're not playing, although we can't imagine that's very often, you'll have this amazing backdrop to remind you of it. So that's the full set, and I have to say it looks incredible together. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to get your hands on first, and you don't have to wait because the full set is out right now. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Thanks for watching.